going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, well, we are gonna stick, as you guys know, Ryan, Duramax Barbecue, L5P Ryan, and we're gonna let him drive the Dodge, or the Ram, I'm sorry. And I want to get a, you know, a Ram or a GM guy's perspective on the old Ram. See how he likes it, see, you know, his dislikes, likes and dislikes, see what he thinks about power, see what he thinks about, you know, response, just see what he thinks about the truck in general. But they're on the way right now. They should be here shortly. For Ryan, also Duramax or D-Max Rhino, he's got to get on all blue here, and he's got to move some dirt for him because we got some dirt out there. For some reason, I don't know. Every time I think I scoop some damn dirt and I end up dumping it, there's no dirt in there. So I just, you know, I'm not really good at grading, leveling, all that stuff. And Ryan built me like a road back there. That's amazing. So I am gonna have him come over here and well, clean some dirt up for me, scrape it, level it, make it nice, you know. Just what he does for a living, basically. Okay, guys, so Chris, and there's Chris over there. Ryan and Ryan, they have arrived. Ryan's going to deal with that dirt pile over there, while later we are going to have L5P Ryan go drive old Ram Girl and get his opinion on, you know, what he likes, doesn't like.
It's Duramax Barbecue. Oh. It's not Ryan L5P. Actually, on YouTube it is, though. Yeah, YouTube it is Ryan L5P.
It is. Yeah. So, all right, Duramax Barbecue, and we'll get his opinion on what he thinks.
Check engine light too.
Oh yes, we got.
Chris killed it. Little thingy.
Chris broke it. We have to. Ryan's got a check engine light in that thing, so we got to figure out why. Most likely, I can probably guarantee you is going to be the emissions. But you know, I'm not gonna say anything yet. We'll just scan it and find out. All right, guys. Now we have to sit here and scan Ryan's truck, and we are using our little portable blue driver right there.
You missed him three-wheeling the old.
Did he almost flip it?
No, but
I think it's sketchy.
He had it on 3 wheels.
Yeah, I think he's a little sketchy. All right, so let's see. Read codes. Check engine light. And let's see what the survey says. I'll put it right here so you guys can see it. All right, cylinder 1. Ooh, glow plug incorrect. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Yeah, same thing for pending.
Don't clear it.
I'm not gonna clear it, yeah. Yeah? Well, I thought it was gonna be emissions. I was wrong. Wow.
So would that explain why it kind of starts slow sometimes?
Not in this weather. No, it's too damn hot.
Okay.
I mean,
so just bad glow plug.
Yeah, it could be just a glow plug that failed.
Which they've got some new system in the L5P that's not like the old ones. So these you don't have to do the wait to start, it just automatically does it.
Yeah, I know when you just like turn the key, you can turn it and it starts automatically.
Yeah.
See, and you know what's weird too is I don't even know if my Ram has glow plugs because I don't see the damn coil.
Yeah, I think they changed it. It's some different system.
Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to. I don't know. What do you? My Ram guys out there, do these Rams have glow plugs? Because I've been looking for my little coil and I have never seen it. I know, you know, it's not cold. My truck stays in the garage, and you know, I keep the garage like 75 degrees. But I don't know. Even my GM, I would at least see the glow plug light turn on. So let me know if my Ram subscribers out there. What in the heck is he doing over here? I hope those hydraulics don't fail. Hey, those hydraulics sometimes fail and the bucket just comes down.
And the what?
The bucket sometimes comes down and the hydraulic just fails on that thing.
Oh.
So I would tell.
It's fine.
Okay. All right. Just like that. That's how Ryan parks it.
All right. Well, we just got done playing in Eddie's field, and
you did a good job, buddy.
Making a mess. You know these.
Hey, what do you think? Old Blue. She did good.
Dude, these old tractors, number one, they're dangerous. Number two, they're just like, they're not easy to work.
All right, guys. So we got now Duramax Barbecue, L5P Ryan, whatever you guys know him. Oh, look at him. He wants to charge here. I got you, buddy. I got you. I got you. Right over here. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you wait for old Blue, little blue light to come on right there. Oh, you like that, huh?
That's nice.
You like that, huh? Let's
you have what us GM guys lost with the 2020.
Yep. Yeah, we got everything. We got the whole shebang. All right, so pretty much I want to get a GM person's opinion and, you know, see what he thinks. See what he thinks of
This isn't power? I think Fords are power.
I don't think it is. Yeah, there's some.
We got to get out of the way of the big ding ding tractor.
Oh, we gotta watch out. Ryan's over there getting pissed off. He's gonna smash us. But yeah, the tow mirrors are out because the ghost ding ding is back there. I don't know if you guys can't see it. Some of you could be gifted enough to see it. Some of you might not be. But I want to get Ryan's opinion and what he honestly thinks of old Ram Girl here. So
It crawled up most of the driveway.
it did, yeah. It almost crawled up the whole thing. It does actually really good.
We need like a wide load sign on this thing.
Yeah, the mirrors are a little, they stick out a little bit. And also,
Jeez, Eddie.
what's not that dark?
It's pretty dark. Oh, my
Gee.
sunglasses are on.
Yeah, take your glasses off. Oh, and then I forgot to mention, I'm sorry, here you go, guys. We got Chris back there. So, Chris, what do you think of the ride so far?
It's pretty smooth, man.
Pretty smooth? Okay. All right. How do you like you comfy back there? Nice and reclined?
Yeah, I got to recline, you know.
Oh, there we go. All right, guys,
Do you
let's
have
see.
air-conditioned seats?
Do bears shit in the woods? Here you go, buddy.
And that screen is awesome.
I got you. You like that?
That is amazing.
What do you think? You like, did you put 2 Chainz on the background right there?
I did not.
Oh, okay.
That was on your Spotify.
Oh, okay. And here's your Navi, if you want. Ba-bam. There you go.
Oh.
Yep,
pretty.
yep. So, let's get first impressions. What do you think of interior right now? Colors, screen, you know, everything, like how the seat, how high it is, because I know as GM guys, that bothers me too, why these things are so high, you can't put them any lower.
So the blue on the dash is my favorite color, so I like that.
Okay.
Everything feels comfortable. The seats are nice. I would say my only thing that I don't love is the material right here.
This wood,
Yeah.
or whatever. I guess
it's like a cloth that's like fake stitching.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
All
just nice though.
Yeah. What do you think? Shift. I want you to feel the torque.
The steering wheel feels good.
You like that? Okay.
Like it's nice how it's smooth. It's not like the leather.
Yeah, well, I like it, yeah, because I noticed the leather on a lot of the trucks, because obviously the majority of the people hold them right there. It starts getting like faded, or it looks like dull, not as shiny.
Brakes are nice.
Yeah, okay, he likes to stop it on it. Now, I want you just to cruise in and feel, you know, when it shifts and what you think, you know, of just the RPM range, the torque, what it has when it grabs.
It's extremely quiet.
Yeah, oh yeah, these things are very, very quiet.
The shape of the rearview mirror is kind of weird.
Okay.
I think that's maybe something.
I mean, if you want to see behind you, I guess you want your backup camera?
That's
or
pretty amazing.
do you want to see what's in there?
That's awesome.
Or do you want to see what's on the left or the right side of you? You want me to pan it out for you a little bit?
That's pretty cool.
What do you want me to do?
That's awesome.
Okay, all right.
Nice that you can do that while driving too.
Yes, yeah, you can, yeah, well, because what I like is you can see what is, oh no, not there, what is in the back. In case, you know, you got something back there, you can check it out.
In case you're running across the border.
Or, I mean, there's just so much you can do with this thing, guys. It's incredible. I keep learning new stuff every day on what you can do. Chris, how you liking it so far?
It's nice.
Nice?
Quiet.
Yeah, they're extremely quiet. It's incredible how quiet it is.
Yeah, it goes. You barely even touch the gas and it's just, it wants to pull.
It go, yeah, it's like doesn't stop.
I gotta hear the system.
Oh, you want to hear the system?
Yeah, I gotta hear it.
Okay, all right, we're gonna put the system on.
So,
What-
I don't like the mirrors at all.
Okay, I can't argue that. I hate these damn things.
I feel like they stick so far out.
They do.
I feel like I'm driving a deer.
So my biggest thing is I'm trying to get used to them driving with them down. But here's the problem, and here's my dilemma. If they had something where when you put them down, you know, the vision would stay the same. Because the problem is when I put them down, now I got to change the mirror again.
Yeah.
And then when you know, if they had like a button where, okay, you hit trailer and the mirrors change when they're in trailer mode, and then you hit your regular, you know, highway, it would go into your highway mode when they're folded down. But it's a pain to keep having to switch them when you're towing back and forth.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean,
The seats are almost as comfortable as a Chevy.
I think the Chevy seem a little softer.
Yeah. I like my Chevy seats, but the instrument cluster, the dash.
What do you think of the torque?
The comfort, the torque, the big pocket here, like everything is so nice.
Now, what do you think of it? Because this is a 3500.
It rides good, and it's a straight axle.
Yes. Okay, so you're liking it so far?
Yeah.
I noticed you've been getting on it. You excited or what, man?
I want to get on it.
You've been
I had to get around that car.
Okay. Chris, so far, how are you liking it?
It's nice, man.
You liking it?
Thinking about selling my truck.
Oh! Because Chris, aren't you looking for a diesel? It's in the works. I mean, it's
Maybe.
you know.
It shifts firm,
It does.
but it's smooth.
Yeah, I noticed.
There's no check engine light, which is amazing right now.
Well, I would hope not with the whole 866 miles that it has on it.
Your fuel economy is not too bad.
Yeah, the
Not
fuel.
that we buy it for that, but
Yeah, the fuel. I mean, so far so good. Now let's see what he thinks of the turning radius, guys. Oh yeah, Chris is like, oh shit, yeah. That's what I said. The same. Oh, look at that! Wow, look at that new one, lifted maroon. What the? See that?
yeah.
Whoa, hey, Mr. Maroon Man, if you're watching this, I like that lift, man. What kind of lift was that? That was a nice one. So what'd you think of that turning radius?
That's good, especially for being a mega cab and a straight
Yeah.
axle. That was very surprising.
I heard Chris was like a little impressed by that.
That's cool.
Okay.
No, I think you did good.
I'm loving it. So far, so good. Like I said, and
I think if we could put some GM mirrors on it.
oh man. Well, somebody did that, and it
really?
looked horrible.
Really?
Yeah, it just did
Wow.
not. It didn't. Like this is okay. This is my thing. If they made the mirrors like square, like the GM, but I think Ram should, you know, do just like that sliding motion where if they kept it like this, but where the mirror can just slide in and out, stay up and down instead of it dropping, you know, in that position where you got to sit and when you tow, change the dang position, you know, of the mirror, and that's what, you know, bugs me the most. So I don't know.
It's very quiet.
It is incredible how quiet this thing is.
It
Well,
pulls hard.
yeah. What do you think of? Have you know? Now I want you to when you.
So I feel like my hand gets kind of sweaty on this.
It does, yeah.
Like if we're being honest. Like why am I sweating?
Mine
You
does
got the
too.
heater on this thing?
So what I want to know is I want you just to cruise, right? And I want you to notice the RPM, and I want you to notice, you know, when you accelerate, if it's accelerating, if it's got a downshift, if you know, compare that to the Duramax also, and see. I don't know, you know, see.
So the hard thing with me and the Duramax is I was only stock for like 2 months, and then I went to 35s.
Okay.
So I think with this being stock, it's kind of hard to give that comparison.
Well, when I
for me.
when I do 37s on this, I'm gonna re-gear it right away.
Okay.
Because I'm really liking the RPM range. Now, unless I don't notice a difference and this thing tows amazing,
I think it will.
I think it will too, but I am going to do a bunch of tests with it being bone stock, because that's what you guys keep asking me, when are we going to lift it, when are we doing this? I'm not doing any of that stuff until I run all my tests with it being bone stock. And bone stock as in, you know, the rims, the tires, non-deleted, everything. I want to see how this thing's going to do stock and then compare it to when it's deleted, when it's on 37s, when it's lifted, you know, when parts and suspension all that are changed. But overall, you're saying right now, I mean, it's smooth, you like the pull.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. It's really nice. Just going through all your gauges right here to see all the cool stuff that you have.
You like that? It does have a lot of gauges.
Temp, 161.
Well, that's why I leave it on the main one.
Gotcha.
So the main one tells you your tranny temp, tells you like
So that's
oil
nice.
pressure.
It comes with boost pressure.
Yeah, GM
So
does
you know
it.
what your turbo's doing.
Yep.
That was one of the reasons why I wanted my Easy Link that won't check a check engine light.
Well, supposedly you can, if you hit like one of these.
Wow, a fuel or a DPF filter gauge.
Yeah, you see that?
Wow.
Almost. Well, not 100%, but hopefully I don't have to deal with that.
Hey, if a GM engineer is watching this, that'd be something good to add on the 2021.
2021. Why the 2020s don't have it either?
I don't think so.
Wow. Okay. Hey, how you doing, Ramer? There? Are we supposed to wave to our other Ram partner buddies?
I think
right?
so.
Chris, you awake back there or what? You look comfy, man.
I'll tell you now.
Yeah, he's liking that. So yeah, right there you got your coolant tab, your training tab, your oil tab, and oil pressure. And then you got up in the four corners, you can like change all that stuff. And
You can definitely tell like when you hit a bump, it's a lot firmer than a 2500.
yeah, there's like no forgiveness.
But then like
Look at you
I put my
accelerate.
foot just a little bit into it, and it goes, and we're at 1500 RPM.
Oh, man, I love it. I love it. You love it? I love it.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
That's what I like, is because the problem that I would have going up the grade with my truck is I'd have to get up to like 2600 RPMs.
Gotcha.
When I did a tow test with this, with the blue one, the dually, it had 410s though. I was in like 6th gear like 1800 RPMs.
I like that when you're stopping, you don't have to be in tow haul, and it'll automatically start to downshift, so you don't have to use the brakes as much.
Why, GM, yours doesn't do that?
Not like this.
Oh. Well, I tried the exhaust brake on this thing, and the exhaust brake is incredible on this thing. It really, I did the full exhaust brake, and it really stops.
Yeah, it's extremely smooth.
All right, well, it looks like, guys, sun's blasting our eyes. Looks like Ryan's liking it. So, I mean, what do you, so far, what aren't you liking about it?
The mirrors.
Okay, but besides the mirrors, I hate the mirrors too.
That's really it. And I don't like how you can't take the emblems off. If you guys have seen my truck, I don't like emblems at all. And the ones that are there don't look factory. So for me, that's kind of a big deal breaker, is because like the 3500 on the hood,
yeah,
I don't think you can take that off.
Well, you can. You'll have a huge indentation.
Yeah, you got the indentation, and then on the back, the ram, I don't just...
Why? Isn't that just stuck on?
I don't care for it.
I think you can take that off.
There's holes.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, what I am going to take off are the pillars. I don't know if you've noticed on the side, there's like black tape on the pillars. And it looks like crap.
This?
No, on the pillars right here.
Oh, yeah, that's tape. That just peels off.
Yeah, and then I guess it's white back there. I'm like, well, I love that. That's
yeah,
perfect.
That'll look super clean.
Okay.
No,
All
it's
right,
a
guys,
very nice truck.
Yeah, it looks like Ryan,
Ryan approve.
Yeah, it looks like Ryan, L5P Ryan approves of the old Rammer girl over here. Chris, you approve?
I approve.
You approve? Okay, man, we can barely
tow the big ding ding. That's the real question.
So we're gonna everybody's asking that question. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that. We are gonna tow the big ding ding soon. I'm just trying to break it in more, drive it more.
I'm just honored to get to drive one of your vehicles so quickly, because it doesn't even have 1,000 miles on it.
Yep.
And I know how you are with your trucks.
Yeah.
So thank you.
No problem, man.
Very cool.
Well, hey, Ryan was actually the first one I got to drive in it.
That's true.
Yeah, so Ryan, I was the second. He actually sat in the passenger seat, even went with the guy to go to the gas station. What else you like?
One thing I really like is the headliner is black, the interior is black. GM, you get a black interior, you have a tan headliner, a gray headliner on my truck. So like if you're trying to clean like the top of it, then you get handprints all over the place. Doesn't look right.
I agree. I wish GM did all black, but I mean, Chris was sleeping back there. Yeah, so that's tape right there, and I don't like how it's like this. I guess everybody's saying peel it off and it'll be white. Yeah, well, I'm gonna peel it off because I like the white better than that, like, matte.
You hate it?
White, yeah, white.
You wanted to get it. Yeah, you prefer Chevy better, Ryan? Yeah, I don't know. He was just telling me. Yeah, hold on.
I'll cut the camera.
Yeah,
no, all right, we're not.
We don't need to see that.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
L5P live.
Yeah, I think you can go around the truck. Well, there's some dirt. Will this make it, or will you get stuck?
This goes in dirt. We're not scared to. We're not scared to take Ryan's truck in dirt.
Yeah, okay, no problem. You're gonna clean it.
Come to our house.
Come to our house. There we have it, guys. It looks like I think Ryan enjoyed it. I don't know. He was liking it. I should say the good thing is he had more plus and likes than negatives on the truck. So well, there you guys have it. That is a review from a GM L5P guy. And I don't know, comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this thing, or you guys that do have them or have driven these before, let me know how you like it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.